Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm going to be talking about my skincare routine. A lot of you guys have been asking for this, which first of all, I'm very flattered by, and second of all, very surprised by. My skincare routine isn't like the most professional thing in the world, and I'm going to be straight up honest, I don't do this every day. There's a lot of days when I wake up late and I'm like, I need to leave, so I just don't do it that day, but yeah, so we'll just go ahead and dive in. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe before we move on. And yeah, I'm really nervous for this. I don't know why. I feel like I'm gonna get judged, but we are gonna do the morning portion of my skincare routine right now, and then I'll see you guys after a while for my nighttime. But the first thing I always do, first of all, wash your hands. I already did that, but that's important, is moisturize. I change up my moisturizer quite frequently, which is probably not the best idea, but that purple basket right here, this is literally full of moisturizers that I've been wanting to try, so I changed it up quite a bit. So far my favorite one is still the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, but I'm using this one currently and I do really like it. It's the Skin Iceland Pure Cloud Cream. It is a good one. This is actually my second one, so I just ran out like 2 days ago, so this is a fresh one. So here is what it looks like. It kind of looks like cottage cheese. It's really chunky when you put it on, and you do have to like work it into the skin, but I really like it because it's really moisturizing and it feels really nice. It's good under makeup too, and it smells good too. It smells like, I don't even know, kind of pine sol-y almost in a way, but not in like a negative way, and it goes away very quickly, like as you're rubbing it into the skin. And I just put this everywhere. My morning routine's actually pretty quick. My nighttime routine is a little more in depth, but I'm not a morning person. I'll be honest, it's not morning right now when I'm filming this, because this morning was one of those days where I wake up late and don't do anything, but it's my lunch hour right now, so just thought we would throw the hair back and film this real quick. So that is my first step, is doing my moisturizer. Next thing I like to do is put on this. This is by Glow Recipe. It's the Pineapple C Brighten Serum. I love this stuff, and I feel like it definitely brightens my skin and helps me get through the day, because a lot of times I don't wear makeup to work because I usually film on lunch, so you know, can't have makeup on, take it off, and film a video on lunch. So, but I feel like it just gives your skin a nice glow. It does make my skin a little red, which everything on the planet does. The cloud cream is actually for sensitive skin, so it doesn't do too bad, but anything that's not like hypoallergenic, sensitive skin, no fragrance, that kind of thing, it makes my skin red, but it goes away quickly. And it doesn't like break me out or anything. So I put that there, and then we do a little bit on the forehead as well, and I bring that down to my nose. Yes, I use my hands for pretty much my entire skincare routine. If that grosses you out, I'm sorry. You can definitely use like a sponge or anything like that. I don't have time for that. So there's my second step. And the third and final step of my morning skincare routine is this. This is the Bali Balm Cinnamon and Burnt Orange Moisturizing Chapstick, whatever you want to call it, lip treatment. I switch these out quite frequently too. I do have, I don't know if I can pull this out without, no. I have several chapsticks that I use, but this is the one I'm currently using, and I really, really like it. So I just pop that all over. And that's it. Sometimes, if I'm feeling extra, I will get a setting spray. Not really like a setting spray, but like this thing. This is the Rose Drenched Toner and Refresher. I have a Glow Recipe one somewhere. I don't know where it's at, but I like that one better, but I use this one today. And that'll be my final step if I'm feeling extra. That's a very rare thing. I maybe do that like once a month, but the rest of it I try to do at least every other day. I should really do it more, but that's my morning skincare routine. This is what I look like most days I go to work, unless I do my makeup before work, which I wish I had more time to do that. But yeah, that's everything. I'll see you guys soon for the nighttime portion. Hey, welcome back. It's nighttime now, and I know this lighting is horrendous. We're in my bathroom, so I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine. It's about 9 o'clock-ish now when I'm filming this, so I've had my makeup on since about noon, so about 9 hours. And honestly, it's held up pretty decently. I went for a mile walk. I've ate supper, so it's pretty good. So we're going to first take my makeup off, which I use a makeup wipe for that at first. These are the I'm not sure, makeup wipes. So that is where I start my nighttime routine, is taking my makeup off. Also, my mirror is awkwardly over here. Let's see if I can... Is that better? I think that's better. This lighting is horrendous. I promise we will go back into a nice lighting as soon as we get done with this part. So I just removed my makeup. Kind of, I don't know how to say that without swearing, half-butted. So I don't take like too much care into doing it with the makeup wipe, because I'm going to go back in with the cleanser once I'm done here. But I do like to get the mascara off for sure, because getting the cleanser in my eyes kind of hurts sometimes. Honestly, I'm really impressed with this makeup. Held up decently for 9 hours and eating supper and going on a walk. I'm impressed. Okay. Taking off the brows now. And just like I said this morning, this is not something I do literally every day. Sometimes I'll just take my makeup off with a makeup wipe and call it a day. That has happened sometimes. But this is if I am being good and doing my full skincare routine. So there is that. Now I take a cleanser. I like this one. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melting Away Balm. I use this quite a bit. This is my second one? I think this is my second one. I just use my fingertip and run this all over. Again, clean hands is important, so make sure you're washing your hands first. I didn't show that part, but if you're super curious, this is the soap I've been using currently. It's from Ulta. It's a Sparkling Lemon Moisture Gel Hand Soap. I don't love it. It doesn't leave my hands feeling like super dry, so I like that. I don't like the way it smells. So I'm still just using this cleansing balm. I just kind of wipe it everywhere. Like I said this morning, use my hands for everything. Sorry to whoever that upsets. Okay. Now that I have that on, I will take a washcloth. I'm gonna expose myself. This looks disgusting. It is clean. It's just stained. And I will get this wet. And then I just wipe away that cleanser very softly. Like, I try to not be too rough with this because it is a washcloth and I don't want to be too harsh on my skin. That being said, we're not going to exfoliate. So after I do that, I usually have another towel. I don't know where it's at, so we're going to just skip that step. I usually just kind of pat dry my face a little bit. Now I'm going to take this. This is the Hey Honey Come Clean Facial Scrub. I changed this out quite a bit too. A face scrub is a face scrub. I've never really found one that I'm like, this is so much better than every other one I've ever tried. So this is the one I'm currently using. And with this, I kind of just spread it out a little bit, like so. Like, I'm not pushing it into the skin or anything right now because I do actually use a tool for this part. Why just this part? I don't know, but I do. I actually take this little thing that I've had for years and I put water on it just a little bit, and then I take this and just push in the exfoliator just because I feel like it helps. It does get it kind of everywhere, so I always make sure to close whatever I am doing the side of. And I only do this like once a week, the exfoliating part, and I have very dry skin, so I wouldn't do it a lot, and I don't do it for the amount of time. And this always just helps get, like, there's still some makeup on there even after I've cleansed and done all that stuff. So we do that every day. Not really, but I do use this thing pretty much every day. I just don't exfoliate every day, but I like to use that just to make sure that I got all the makeup off. Then we're going to wipe the face scrub away using the same towel, and then I will actually wash my face. Again, I do change these out. I just don't, my skincare routine stays consistent, but like the products don't stay consistent. I'm constantly changing out products, which is not good. But this is the Skin Iceland Glacial Face Wash. I do really like this one, so this is almost out, but I will just put some of this on my hands and just go in with this. And we just rub that in, and we're gonna go back to the washcloth. I don't really like to put water straight on my face. I'll do it more, but for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna dunk my face in the sink. A lot of times I do this part in the shower too, is wash my face, but today we're just gonna we're gonna wipe away with a wet washcloth. Okay, feels nice and smooth. And then for the last step in the bathroom before we go back to the beauty area is this thing. This is fairly new to me, and I don't really 100% know that it does anything, but I usually just put it on the first setting and just run it along my face, just a little bit. I don't know that this does really anything, but it feels nice and it makes me feel like I'm doing something. Also, this angle is the worst angle of my life, so hope you guys enjoy that. And my face is super red, always happens, but it will go away. And you gotta push it like 17 times to get it to go back off. Okay, that ends the bathroom portion. Now we're gonna go back to the beauty room and I'll see you there. And we're back again, back to semi-decent lighting. Again, it is like 9 something at night, so it is dark in here. For the final few steps in my skincare routine, they're very similar to my morning skincare routine. I moisturize first. I use the same moisturizer morning and night, even though I do change them out. I always wear the same one throughout the day, so I'm gonna just put this on. This is the Skin Iceland Cloud Cream. I was gonna tell you I change them out quite frequently, but I told you that this morning, so we'll skip that part. My face feels so soft. I do really like that Hey Honey scrub. I know I said that like there isn't one that I kind of think is better than the rest, but I do really like that one and I do recommend it. There's definitely some I've tried that I don't like, but there's not been one that I've just been like, oh, this is mind-blowing. But that one I like. Obviously I like all of the products I'm using in my skincare routine today, or I wouldn't be using them. Okay, just doing the forehead now. I will say, all of these products that I'm talking about, I like the Hey Honey one's too expensive. The brush is definitely not expensive. I got that at like Walmart for like $5, but they're all pretty pricey, so I'm sorry, but it's my skincare stuff. I do think spending money on skincare is worth it. Like, if you want to just get like drugstore makeup, that's great, that's fine. But I think skincare, it is worth it if you spend a little extra money. With that being said, this is stupid expensive. This is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellar Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I use this at night. I just use the little applicator. I do like one pump and then I kind of poke it on both eyes and then just go in with it a little bit, and then I'll go back over it with my fingertips. I also use this on my forehead because I feel like it helps with the lines up there, and I use it right here, just in my little smile lines. And sometimes I'll go right here too if I'm feeling crazy. So we do that, and then I go back in my fingertips and just kind of further massage that in a little bit more. Like so. The last thing I'm putting on my face tonight, this is something I do a couple times a week, and this is very new. I just got this in my BoxyCharm, but I immediately added it to my routine. I have done this, I think 3 times so far, and I really like it. I do feel like it definitely makes a difference in my skincare routine. I feel like it's very softening towards the skin, and my skin still feels moisturized in the morning. So I just take a little bit. You do have to wash this off, gonna be honest. I usually don't, but you're supposed to. But you can wear this as like a wash off mask where you put it on for like 20-30 minutes and wash it off, or you can wear it overnight as a sleeping mask. That is what I do, but a lot of times I don't wash it off in the morning. And when I mean a lot of times, I mean I washed it off once and then didn't the next few times. So I don't think it's gonna hurt you to leave it all on your face, but washing your face in the morning is probably a good idea. I'm just lazy. I just wash it at night. I'm more of a night owl. Like, I stay up 2-3 in the morning every night. It's really dumb. And I'll be like super tired, like noon, 1 o'clock-ish, I'm like dead tired. And then by the time I get home after work, it's like 5 o'clock and I'm still kind of tired. But I'm like, oh no, because then I won't sleep tonight, can't take a nap. And then it'll get to like 10 o'clock and I'll be wide awake. It's so annoying. It is literally the most frustrating thing. Okay. And the final step. We are finally there, guys. I take my lip balm, same one as this morning. This is the Bali Balm by, no, Bali Balm is the brand. It's the cinnamon and burnt orange one. That's it, guys. That's my entire skincare routine. Sometimes I'll throw on a nose patch, but that's not like something I do daily. I don't do all of this daily, but I try to do it at least a couple times a week. Don't exfoliate daily. I do that once a week. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know a lot of you were requesting it, which again, super flattered. So I hope this is what you wanted to see. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.